Hi there, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today we are going to say Git tutorial. So in Git we are going to see today cherry pick that. So let's get started. So first let's see what cherry pick do. So let's say if you have a branch A and if you have a branch B, and if you want from branch B to be picked in branch A, so then you can use cherry pick, because pull if you will take, that will take up all data, all commits from B branch to A, but we need any specific commit. Like for specific commit, we will be using this cherry pick. So I'm on branch commands, and here you write if git log. So you can see I'm having top 3 commits here listed. So now let's create a new file. Let's say cherry pick, only cherrypick.html. So now index.php, let's copy here and paste, write cherry pick. And in index also let's update, so here also write let's check cherry pick in git. So now write git status, and here you can see 2 files modified. So let me modify top heading as well. So let's write dash git only. So now write git add dot. Let me just clear the terminal once. Now write git commit hyphen m and write a commit message. Let's say git or cherry tutorial. So now let's push this git push origin commands. So now let's quickly do one more change. Let's say git cherry pick tutorial, and this we are going to again commit. So git add dot git commit, and we will be again pushing that to origin command. So let's clear the terminal, write git log. So now you can see 2 commits we have. So let's say you want only this pick git cherry pick tutorial commit only, you don't want the latest one index updated. So you will be picking up that commit. So copy the commit id, write git checkout, just check the branch name first, git branch main we have. So git checkout main, let's clear the terminal. Now write git cherry pick, and then you pass your commit id. Observe your index.html file before and after, because as those changes are now updated in the index.html file. So if you write git log, then you can see a new commit id is created. It's not the same id that was there in commands branch. This is a different commit id, but content is same. So it's not like a merge where same commit is pulled into your branch, but cherry pick creates the same content with the new commit. So you can only reset this. It's not like that you can abort the merge or something. Those things you can't do. Let's push this to github git push origin main. Now let's check in now browser. Let's go to last commit, and here you can see what's the difference. From test it is updated to test hyphen git, and that's the new file that we have added. So that those changes is completely pulled in main. So this command is very useful when you don't want the complete merge to do. You just want a particular commit to be in your branch, then you just do the cherry pick command. So I hope you like this video. That's all in this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.